Good morning, dear Ursula. Thank you for your kind invitation to talk about OCTA in the other diseases. I had the embarrass of choice to choose the diseases. OCTA is essentially a diagnostic tool, and we are still learning how and when to use OCTA. It identifies abnormalities of flow. There are no leaking, no pooling, no staining on OCTA. But the main interest is that OCTA can detect the layers and areas of impaired perfusion, whereas fluorescein angiogram cannot do it. Spectral domain OCT spectralis and swept source OCT TopCon were used to image patients with different retinal and choroidal diseases. In the other vascular diseases, OCTA usually makes easily the diagnosis. In this case, the retina is very ischemic, but also there is occlusion of choroidal arteries on ICG. This is frequently seen in orphan disease. OCTA is able to detect retinal and choroidal occlusion, and the diagnosis of giant cell arteritis was confirmed by temporal artery biopsy. In this other patient with the right eye scotoma, infrared showed the petaloid lesion, B-scan, the hyperreflectivity between the two plexiform layers, and OCTA was showing a capillary signal reduction in the deep capillary plexus, meaning confirming the diagnosis of paracentral acute middle maculopathy. Now another case with temporal abnormalities seen on fluorescein angiogram and B-scan OCT, an OCTA in the superficial capillary plexus. The vessels appear dilated with right angles and non-perfused area with second-order vessels replacing normal peripheral capillaries. The lesions are even more obvious in the temporal part of the deep capillary plexus, where the capillaries have completely lost their normal shape. These signs are seen in McTell type 2. But the greatest interest of OCTA in McTell type 2 is the detection of CNV. In this case, where B-scan, fluorescein, ICG are not really contributive to confirm the CNV presence, OCTA brings the diagnosis of the CNV presence. At last, in radiation retinopathy, in the deep capillary plexus, we can see easily the progression of capillary density loss after 2 and 3 years of evolution. Now, so in other vascular disease, there is a great contribution of OCTA to make or confirm the diagnosis, to check the follow-up, and to detect CNV complication. Now, what about central serous? The main signs are represented by the presence of dark spots, due mostly to PED, but also choroidal excavation, and also dark areas, less evidence cause of dark areas, but sometimes due to choroidal vessel compression of the choriocapillaries. The white spots are often representing the leaking points, but it's not frequently seen, unfortunately. And here too, the main interest of OCTA in CSC is the CNV detection, particularly in case of flat irregular PED. So OCTA, like here, OCTA is not a gold standard for CSC, but is a huge help in the detection of CNV. Now let's see in the white dots syndrome family. OCTA clarifies the subjects, thanks to the detection and monitoring of choriocapillary ischemia and CNV detection too. In all these pathologies, OCTA signals are comparable to ICGA early phase. In all these pathologies, choriocapillary is altered. So in this case, like here, with a male with decreased vision, left eye since 15 days, no flu, you can see the autofluorescence is normal. The ellipsoid, there is an ellipsoid disruption and maybe outer nuclear layer thinning. On ICG, early and late phase, the hypofluorescent plaque is well depicted and it matches perfectly well with OCTA, demonstrating clearly the choriocapillary alteration. And in this other case, OCTA helps in the follow-up to check the evolution of the lesion. This is 10 days follow-up. We can see the disappearance of the disturbance in the flow of the choriocapillary. On the contrary, in mutes, ICG early phase is normal and OCTA doesn't show any signs at the level of the choriocapillary. It's a case of mutes, and we have no signs at the level of the choriocapillary. In other inflammatory White-Dunn syndrome, PIC or multifocal choroiditis, inflammatory and neovascular lesions are both hyperfluorescent on fluorescein angiogram. And here again, OCTA brings a huge contribution, showing the blood flow signal only in case of CNV, like here. So in conclusion, OCTA clarifies the subject and helps at detecting the CNV. In genetic disease, as in Best disease, the danger is a mirror effect on the material and the activity appreciation of the CNV of the CNV after treatment, because we always see the CNV inside the fibrovascular scar. It is important also to know that signals seen in non-neovascular BEST are possible and are due to molecules moving inside the detachment. In albinism, if the nystagmus is not too important, we can detect non-albino carrier as it is in this example. It's a son, albino's son, and mother and father were not albino, and we can see a fovea plana in the father without any visual decrease. In Stargardt, also, OCTA has been recently shown that the dark atrophy seen on ICG late hypofluorescent phase was due to completely absence of choriocapillary. And it's great information. It's more important in Stargardt than in AMD atrophy, like in this case. So in genetic disease, OCTA allows to see the impact of retinal and choroidal vessels of the disease. It detects the CNV. It gives an explanation of some angiographic mysteries and helps to determine sometimes the carriers. A few words for tumors. In this case of hemangioma, OCTA is able to show the large dilated intratumoral choroidal vessels with some loops surrounded by a peripheral hypersignal rim, and but it's sometimes difficult to analyze the choroid in tumors. And there is a learning curve to interpret the images. So most of the time, OCTA brought new information of the physiopathology of the disease, confirms the diagnosis, and allows the follow-up with more precision, but there are limits to OCTA for other diseases that are represented by the location of the lesions, the cooperation of the patients, and the possibilities of the segmentation of the device. So, in conclusion, in other diseases, OCTA has a very great future. Thank you very much.